Hey everybody, it's Alex and Jen from Top Guns out of Terre Haute, Indiana.
This is all you need to know in 90 seconds about the STI Staccato P.
No.
Why?
Because it's weird.
Hey everybody, it's Alex and Jen from Top Guns out of Terre Haute, Indiana.
Today we're going to talk about the STI Staccato P, and this is all you need to know in 90 seconds.
One of the most popular releases this year's SHOT Show was the Staccato P. Now this is a 9mm double stack 2011, and we finally got to take this thing out to the range, put a couple rounds down.
One of the things I really liked was the Dawson Precision sights. It does have a red fiber optic front sight, and also the trigger pull. It's very light and crisp. It's only 4.5 pounds.
So the trigger is adjustable, but they released this firearm to be able to compete in the carry market. Now with an overall slide about 6 3/4, it's going to be the exact same as like your Glock 45, but you have to remember the overall profile. So you're looking at about 8 inches including the beaver tail, plus it has an extended mag well. Now that mag well is going to come into play when you're going to carry. You might want to think about printing a little bit.
Speaking of carrying, it does come with 2 magazines, a 17 and 21 round mag, as opposed to 15 or 17 rounds with a Glock. One thing to consider before you start carrying the Staccato P is that it is a little heavy, coming in at 35 ounces. Now that is about 11 ounces heavier than your standard Glock 19.
But the trade-off is going to be accuracy with that. Now this has a 4.15 inch bull barrel, but it also has phenomenal fit and finish, which is second to none. Now a couple things I wanted to point out on this. It does have front serrations, which I really like, but the 2011 magazines are known to be finicky. Well, I mean, you're going to be spending somewhere around 70 to 100 bucks per magazine, so you hope they work. Now we didn't have any issues with our Staccato P, but I've heard of other people having issues with them, so you might want to check your magazines when you purchase the firearm.
A couple other things to think about are the overall size and the price point, with MSRP coming in right at $2,000.
So you'll want to check out this firearm at your local gun shop and range.
Thanks for watching all you need to know in 90 seconds about the Staccato P. Be sure to leave your comments below for any suggestions you'd like to see us do a 90-second review on.
Hey, and if you're local, drop off any firearm. We'll be glad to do a 90-second review on that. Now we have our CCW matches coming up, which is in part sponsored by STI, but you can check out more information at the link below.
Thanks for watching, guys. Yeah, bye.
It's pretty good.
No problem at all.
Cut. Hey guys, welcome back to All You Need to Know in 90 Seconds. I know we've been away for a while and you've missed Jen, so I'm just gonna get this out of the way.
Take it away, Jen.
Hi.
We should just... All right, so that's your 15 seconds to Jen. Now let's get back to the video. Ready?
That was a sheep sound.
I'm gonna use that for something.
Please don't.
Hey everybody, welcome back to All You Need to Know in 90 Seconds. This is Jen and Alex from Terre Haute, Indiana.
Good God.
She was giggling, it was already... All right, one of the most popular releases of this year's SHOT Show is the Staccato P and the Staccato C. Now today we're going to be just talking about the Staccato P and 9mm, and we finally got to take it out in the range. Marker.
Cut that.
Oh,
Scratch
sorry.
that.
Marker.
So you'll want to check out this firearm at your local gun shop and range.
Redo.
So you'll want to check out this
Marker.
See, we're one take wonders.